Hello dear subscribers, today I will tell you how you can easily download and install WhatsApp on your phone. So for doing this, just go to App Store, just write in search WhatsApp, and now just tap on search. So here you can see WhatsApp Messenger. So now just tap on get button, and you need just to wait some time until it will successfully download and install this app on your phone. So after, you just need to write your phone number and it will send a message with some code that you need to write in app. So it's like just approve your phone number in this app with this code. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching. So here you can see that we can open it. Now just tap on open and just just tap on agree and continue, and after just write your phone and just write a message that you will receive from this app on your mobile phone. So this is the way how you can do it. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.